Hi, it's Sheena here, and today we're going to talk about Boomba. And Boomba is a brand of bra inserts that give you instant lifts and boosts, and we're going to try it out today, and I'm going to let you know what I think. And this is as seen in Cosmopolitan magazine, the Ultra Boost insert, which is the one I got, Demi Boost inserts, and Invisible Lift inserts. And the Ultra Boost inserts is what I thought I needed because I wanted to go up 2 bra sizes. So we're going to see how that works. The product is highly recommended, so I was like, I've got to try this to give myself an instant boost. So let's see what happens. Okay, so let's open this box up and see what's inside. Okay, so here, it's such a cute little box. Shh, this will be our little secret. I know that I'm revealing it to you, but it's our little secret now. Okay, these are the Ultra Boost inserts, like I said before. And it comes with a little instruction manual that says stop and read this first. Okay, so we're gonna try this with a sports bra. Okay, so this is before the Boomba inserts. Now let's see the after. Okay, so before I insert them, I wanted to let you know what they look like. And they come on plastic with 2 sticky sides. So I just wanted to show you that. And they come in flesh tone variety. So it's a hit. Okay, so this is the after, and I'm obsessed with the results. Oh my gosh. If you look at the before picture, it's like a world of difference. I absolutely love Boomba, and I would highly recommend it. The tape is super sticky on the inserts on both sides, so it's holding absolutely in place, and I'm loving the way it looks. So make sure that you check out Boomba and let me know what you think. Later.